Welcome to our exhilarating deep dive into the world of truck accessories. In today's video, we're unveiling the best hard-folding tonneau covers that will revolutionize your cargo game. Imagine unparalleled security, sleek aesthetics, and effortless functionality, all wrapped into one amazing product. These covers not only enhance your truck's appearance, but also provide superior protection against the elements and prying eyes. Say goodbye to flimsy covers that just don't cut it. Whether you're an adventurous road warrior or a weekend warrior, these hard-folding tonneau covers promise to elevate your journey. Get ready to discover options that blend toughness, style, and convenience. Stay tuned, your perfect truck makeover is just a play button away. Number 7. Tonneau is proud to present the hard-shell folding truck bed tonneau cover. Expertly designed to fit 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150S with a 5 feet 5 inches, 66-inch bed. Crafted with a premium aluminum frame and powder-coated in a sleek matte black finish. This cover combines durability and aesthetics seamlessly. The innovative EnduraShield panels, made from an automotive-grade polymer, are not only dent and scratch resistant, but also stay cool to the touch in heat. Operating the Tonneau hard shell is a breeze. Easily folded up using the clamps or securely lock it in place. Full bed access is achievable in seconds. Simply loosen the front jaw grip clamps without any tools or drilling required for attaching or removing the cover. With an extreme seal to keep out bad weather and a low-profile design that enhances your truck's appearance. The Tonneau hard shell is undoubtedly one of the best hard-folding tonneau covers on the market. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with this remarkable addition. Number 6. Discover low-profile hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover is the ultimate choice for Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 owners. Fitting models from 2019 to 2025. This low-profile cover features a sleek, textured matte black finish that seamlessly integrates with your truck, ensuring superior aesthetics while offering excellent functionality. Crafted from durable aluminum, is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, keeping your cargo secure and protected from moisture, dirt, and UV rays. The innovative clamping system allows for easy one-finger operation, providing quick access while ensuring maximum theft protection. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling required, allowing you to set it up in just minutes. Plus, with a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, it can handle even the heaviest loads with ease. A 5-year warranty further guarantees its quality and reliability, making it a top contender among the best hard-folding tonneau covers. Upgrade your truck with Discover and experience enhanced functionality and style. Number 5. Calf-free hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover, CFHT 029, is a must-have for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra owners with a 5 feet 8 inches bed. As one of the best hard-folding tonneau covers on the market, it combines durability with functionality. Made from high-quality FRP and aluminum panels, its robust design can hold up to 400 pounds, ensuring exceptional security for your cargo against theft and damage. Rain or shine, this tonneau cover offers superior protection. Featuring tear-resistant, water-resistant, and high-temperature resistant materials, it keeps your truck bed dry and your cargo safe from harsh weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with a tool-free, no drill setup that takes just minutes. When you need access to your gear, simply fold the cover back. Plus, with its sleek design, it improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag. If you're looking for a reliable tonneau cover that prioritizes protection and ease of use, the calf-free is your go-to choice. Number 4. Top Tiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover HDF-011 is a game-changer for Dodge Ram 1500 owners with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Designed for 2009 to 2025 models, this cover blends style and functionality seamlessly. Its polished aluminum panels not only shine brightly, but also guard against marks, scratches, and harmful UV rays, ensuring your truck looks great for years to come. Security is top-notch with the Top Tiny, offering complete lockup when your tailgate is closed, perfect for peace of mind. It provides unparalleled protection from severe weather elements. such as heavy rain, snow, and dust. Thanks to its tear-resistant and water-resistant design, no more worrying about your cargo being exposed to harsh conditions. Installation is a breeze with the included clamps, making it user-friendly for anyone. When it comes to the best hard folding tonneau covers, the Top Tiny stands out as a durable, stylish, and protective solution for your truck bed needs. Don't miss out on this essential accessory for your Dodge Ram 1500. Number 3. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a perfect fit for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, 2007, 2025 with a 5.8-foot short box. Its custom-made design ensures a snug fit, accommodating vehicles with a multi-flex tailgate, excluding Carbon Pro beds. Crafted from durable fiberglass, this cover can withstand harsh weather, protecting your cargo from hail and wear. Installation is a breeze with the no-drill, clamp-on process, allowing you to set it up in minutes without tools. Security is prioritized with reinforced hinges and strong latches, making it challenging for thieves to compromise your cover. Plus, its sleek and aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, minimizing MPG loss at highway speeds. What's more, you receive an extra weather strip, a hard-top trifold cover with 6 clamps, and a generous 60-month warranty. Upgrade your truck's functionality and style with the Whale Motor Tonneau cover today. It's a game changer. Number 2. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Ford F-150 owners seeking robust and reliable truck bed protection, specifically designed for models from 2015 to 2020, including the Raptor. This cover accommodates 5 feet 7 inches beds, 67.1 inch. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum panels, the Gator EFX features a scratch-resistant, UV protective black powder coat finish that guarantees longevity and style. Installation is a breeze. Achieve a perfect fit in under 30 minutes without tools or drilling. The low-profile design not only enhances the aesthetic of your truck, but also promotes aerodynamics. With its integrated water management system, the Gator EFX keeps your cargo dry and clean by channeling rain, snow, dirt, and dust out of the bed. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, the Gator EFX Hard Trifold is recognized as one of the best hard folding tonneau covers for those who value quality, functionality, and style in their truck accessories. Make your Ford F-150 stand out with the Gator EFX today. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for the 2015 to 2020 models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. This cover combines style, security, and functionality. Made in the USA with global materials, it features a durable matte finish that not only looks sleek, but also provides protection against scratches, marks, and UV damage. The BAK Flip MX4's robust aluminum panels ensure ultimate security, automatically latching as you close the cover and locking it down with your tailgate. You'll enjoy 100% bed access, whether it's fully closed, folded, or flipped up without obstructing the third brake light. The premium enhancements in the perimeter seals and hardware guarantee an unparalleled fit and durability. If you're looking for one of the best hard folding tonneau covers, the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is certainly the way to go. Upgrade your truck today and experience the perfect blend of style and performance. In conclusion, the best hard folding tonneau covers offer durability, security, and convenience for truck owners. Whether you prioritize style, functionality, or ease of use, there's a cover that fits your needs. Upgrade your truck with one of these top picks today and experience the difference they make. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more great content.